This video is going to cover Objective 4.2 practice tasks. In the blank paragraph after the title, Office Procedures, insert a table of contents. So this is the blank paragraph here, and you won't be able to see this unless you have your formatting marks on. So you need to turn on your Show Hide marks on the Home tab in the paragraph group in the upper right-hand corner. Once you click on that blank paragraph, you're going to go to the References tab, Table of Contents, and then you're looking for Automatic Table 1. Once you click on Automatic Table 1, the table of contents will now appear. Then it says take the necessary steps to ensure that the page numbers in the table of contents are correct after the table of contents is inserted. And I'm just going to be comparing this to the results file quite a bit. The results file actually shows a page break after the table of contents. But when we insert Automatic Table 1, there is no page break that is put there. So I am going to go ahead and put a page break in by hitting Control-Enter. And I'm going to delete the blank line that's right there. I just hit delete on my keyboard to take it out. This one's in the header, that one's fine. But I hit page break. And once I hit page break, I'm going to right click and hit Update Field and update the entire table. So then that way the entire table is updated with the new page numbers based on me doing that page break there. Then it says to, in the table of contents, note the page number of the last heading, Shipping Quick Reference. It says page 8. If you hold down Control and click on Shipping Quick Reference, it'll take you down to that page, which is page 8. And it shows you in the bottom right hand corner that that is page 8 and you're verifying it. Then I'm going to hit Control Home to take me to the top of the document, and I'm going to be inserting a cover page. And I was going to try to look for the one Ion Dark is the one that's showing on the results sheet, but it says you could pick whichever one you want. But just to be safe, I'm choosing Ion Dark. Once the cover page pops up, it says to replace the document title property placeholder with Office Procedures. So I'm going to scroll down, click where it says Document Title, and just start typing in Office Procedures. And then delete the title from the table. So type in Office Procedures, and then it wants us to delete the title Office Procedures from the table of contents. So I'm just going to select that whole line, hit delete on my keyboard to remove it, and then provide information for any other document properties on the cover page. So I'm going to scroll up and it says Document Subtitle, and just looking at the results file, it has Shipping Administration Guide. This is deleted, and then this says San Diego, California. So I'm just going to try to replicate that. Shipping Administration Guide. And then delete this. And I hit delete twice to remove that paragraph mark as well. And then this says company name. I'm just going to delete that and delete one more time, and again delete. There we go. Then company address. So type in San Diego, California. Let's see what this kind of looks like. Whoops, California. And that looks pretty close to the results. So once you've added San Diego, California as a field, then the next step then is to verify that the page number and to the right of the table of contents page is page 1, and the cover page is not assigned a page number. So I'm just going to scroll down here, and we're looking for this to be page 1, and the cover page is not assigned a page number, so that is correct. And it says to go ahead and save the document. So 4.2a is complete now, and then you're looking at 4.2b. So you're going to go to 4.2b, and I didn't save the changes because I don't need to save the changes. You guys should save the changes on that document for 4.2a. For 4.2b, it asks you to remove the cover page. So this is basically the same thing that you just did, and we're removing the cover page. So instead of insert and cover page and picking one, you're going to click remove cover page. Then you're going to go to the Layout tab and change the size of the document to this statement 5.5 by 8.5, which might be named statement or half letter depending on your printer, and this is just statement on my end. And then you can choose that. And then what this does is it makes the paper a different size. So what you're doing now is you need to update the table of contents based on the new sizing of the paper. So right click update table of contents, hit update field, update entire table, then hit OK. And some of the numbers will adjust slightly, and it says again to verify that the last page number and last page setting matches. So shipping reference is on 8 still. I'm going to hit Control, click on shipping reference, and that is still on page 8. That heading is still on page 8. So 4.2b is complete, as well as 4.2a.